RouteNote is being promoted as a free music distribution platform that claims to help artists upload their songs to Spotify, Apple Music, and other major platforms. But the real question is whether it's actually worth using or just sounds appealing because it's free. The platform typically offers two plans: a free plan where they take a percentage of your royalties, and a paid plan where you keep more earnings, making it especially attractive for beginners. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Free music distribution is a real model, and RouteNote has been around for years, helping independent artists get their music onto major streaming platforms. However, here's the key issue. While the service works, reliability is inconsistent. Reviews show a mixed experience, with an average rating of around 3.3 out of 5, and many users complaining about slow release approvals and delayed customer support. There are also some recurring complaints. Users frequently mention uploads getting stuck, long waiting times for releases, and difficulty getting timely responses from support, especially on the free plan. Trustpilot. From community discussions, the pattern becomes even clearer. Waiting time went from days to almost a month. Months waiting, no clear response. Still, it's not all negative. Some artists report successful releases, payments, and a smooth experience, especially if they plan ahead and don't rely on fast turnaround times. It's also important to understand that with free platforms, trade-offs are expected. Slower support, longer processing times, and less control are common compared to paid distributors. So, should you try RouteNote? It can work if you're a beginner looking for a free way to distribute music, but it may not be reliable enough for serious or time-sensitive releases. The bottom line is that RouteNote is a legit music distribution tool, but it comes with clear limitations. Good for starting out, but potentially frustrating if you need speed, consistency, or strong support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.